Hey everyone, it's Lit, and today we're back in Bloons Tower Defense 5 playing the Monkey Apprentice Challenge, and we are on round 70. Here, let's get started. Wow, we're doing pretty good. And if you guys didn't watch part 1, please do so before you watch this episode. I mean, there's not really too many spoilers or anything, other than the fact that we made it this far. But I just think it's good to start from part 1 and stuff. Okay, lots of BFGs heading our way, but they are still no match for us. Okay, how about we add another, Tempest Tornado. We need to summon another tornado, I think. I mean, we don't need those as much as the the Dragon Breath. Yeah, Dragon Breath. But they're still pretty useful. We'll still need them. Wow, we're getting money fast. We are on round 74, or almost around 75. Yeah, we made it through. Yes, so far. Wonder if we'll do this good. I wonder if we can do as good as we did with the Ninja and Spike Factory Challenge. Possibly better. Okay, oh, wait. Tempest Tornado is 6,800. I keep forgetting that. I keep thinking it's 7,000 or something. Yeah, how strange. But, yeah, we're doing super good. So there's no need to rush right now. Or at least I think so. Okay, we got another one of those. Perfect. Okay. That was super quick. And unchallenging for a level 76. Even though there were, regrowth ceromatics, that's a pretty good combination, if you ask me. But it's pretty easy nowadays. Okay, they're starting to break through. Let's hope they don't get that far. Oh wait, that's less than halfway, so there's no need to worry that much. Okay, we need to add another Monkey Apprentice, Dragon Breath. Okay, let's put one. How about here? We need some more on this side of a defense. And it's 3,570. Okay, we should be having it by the end of this round, no doubt. Especially with how much money we're earning. Wow, okay. Oh, there's the BFG. Okay. There it goes. Let's see, just a moment. Okay. Let's go get it. Dragon's Breath, there we go. We are on round 79. Awesome. We are almost on round 80. I can't believe that. We're doing so... We're very successful in this game right now. And what challenge should I do next? In the comments, please tell me what you would like to see next. Yeah, there's so many of these, monkeys. Yeah, I don't know which one to do next. Yeah, so please, in the comments, leave what you want. And the one with the most votes will be chosen next. Alrighty. There goes all those. Round 80, that wasn't too challenging for, a 10th. Round 80. Okay, let's get another one. How about, let's get some more defense up here. I mean, down there, so whatever. Okay, there we go. We had enough to finish the tiers I wanted so far. There we go. I see the difference already. They're going down. Whoa. Okay. So, 2 more BFGs left. Okay, 1, okay, 0. We did it! that was kind of simple. Most of these levels feel simple with the dragon breath and stuff, and tempest tornadoes. Wow, okay, we're at almost to $5,000. Yep, there we go. Look at all those BFGs, they're everywhere. Oh, there's, regrows, except they're camos. Also, interesting. Okay, let's add yet another dragon breath. How about right here? Seems like a good bit. Okay. Okay, now there's chunks of Moabs. Interesting. Interesting choice. Still, I don't think they'll get too far. Yes, I was definitely right about that. Okay, good. Oh, look at that. Yeah, we're earning money so quickly. Then there's a Cerematics. Okay, let's get another Dragon Breath. We need to be prepared. Because, especially for the Zongs, because I know they're coming. They'll be coming any round now. Okay. Oh, there's some BFGs coming up too, with the Moab chunks. Wait till we get to the Zongs. That will be when it starts to get challenging, like super challenging. But there's a lot going on in this round, actually. And we're on round 84 already. Okay. And we're only about 7 minutes into the, actually, that might be, we started around 70 or something. Yeah, so, yeah, I guess that would be kind of long, actually. Some of these have been challenging. Some of them have been really long, but not super challenging. But there's the song. There's the song. Okay, let's summon the Phoenix. Ho ho. Come on, Phoenix. Attack. Oh, it disappeared. Okay, take down those BFGs. Oh boy. I'm a little nervous, but I'm not too nervous anymore. Okay, we got it. Perfecto. We got it. Okay, we're at 8,555 on round 85. Okay. How about we add another Tempest Tornado, but on this side, because it's just a good, yeah, it's just good to put one there, I think. Strategic-wise and stuff. Okay, more Moab chunks. They're really doing that a lot. Okay, there's the BFG chunks. I think this is the first time we've seen this kind of chunk. Okay. We are almost able to get the Tempest Tornado. We are still at 239. I still remember when that red balloon got past us. Oh no. We're starting to get through. Can it be the end? Okay, where are you? Phoenix. Phoenix. There you are. We need to summon the Phoenix again, I think. Okay. I feel slightly more safe. I don't know. We're still in grave danger, I think, now. Oh boy. I'm a little nervous. Let's add another one over here. Okay. Okay, hurry, hurry, hurry. Summon Tornado, I guess. Okay. Oh boy. I'm sweating. Okay, come on. We've got it. We've got it. No, no, we don't. No. No, 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 no. This is all going wrong. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Quickly, quickly. We failed on round 86. This was around the same time as the Ninja Monkey. That's the thing about these challenges. You usually don't get farther than round 80. Well, anyways, guys, Oh, is that fireworks? Wow, fireworks again. Should we try another round? Okay, we'll start another, round, I guess. What should I choose, and which stage should I choose? Okay, new game. Loading. Yeah, what should we do? So leave in the comments what I should do after this challenge. Should I show... Yeah, how about... I've got a good idea, I think. These are really tough, though. I may have to pay $500 to get past round 48. Okay, the challenge I've been thinking of is... the Bomb Tower Challenge. Okay. Let's try this. Hopefully I'll do as good as the time that I did off screen. That was really good. I wish I could show you guys. Well, anyways, let's get starting. Let's start. Okay. Yeah, the bomb tower's alright to get started with. And especially good to end with. It gets pretty good. Whoa. Yeah, but our only problem is the camos and the black one. The black balloons. I forgot what it was called, though. Whoa, okay. We need the frag bomb. The frags. So, I will definitely be allowing the monkey village. We are definitely going to need it. Or else this would be a disastrous challenge and would get pretty annoying. Okay, let's get bigger bomb. The bigger the better. Oh, we missed those. Okay, let's get the missile launcher to make this go faster. Oh, we're missing them again. Wow, it's pretty good with chunks and, yeah, groups. Okay. Shoot them faster now. And, I've got an idea, the ones on the inside, the circle, I'll have, all Moab Maulers, and on the outside, the one at a time. I forgot what it was called. Well, anyways, I'm gonna get the monkey village right away once we get enough money. We're doing alright right now, so we might need another, yeah, we might need another, bomb tower. Yeah, that's right. This round wasn't too tough. It's once we get to the smaller black balloon thing. Okay, we're getting close. You're still at full health already, so that's good. Okay, we're so close. So close. Then after I purchase it, I guess I'll just get another, bomb tower. Because we need some more defense. Because we're kind of weak right now. Oh, well, actually, we're not too bad, but we will definitely be weak soon. Good, we got it. Let's purchase it. Let's put it in the middle here. There we go. We need to go to the bottom tiers, the second tier of the bottom. Okay, actually, I won't get the monkey fort just yet because we need some more bomb towers. We don't have quite enough yet. We will soon, after this round, I'm guessing. Yeah, we're doing alright. You'll do worse soon. Very soon. I bet you. Okay. Oh. Where is it? Okay, there it is. Let's put that there. We'll do a little better, I guess. We are on round 16. Okay, there's the regrows. That's another problem, kind of, that we need to watch out for. Okay, let's get bigger bomb. You can hit more bombs at the same time. Okay, we're doing a little better. Here, let's get that. And we'll get the extra ring and the frag bombs. Then we'll go for our anti-camos. That's the problem. The big problem, I think. Oh boy, I might need some... Yeah, we need the attacks for that. That's the big problem. Okay, frag bomb. Let's hope we don't run into... Okay, the white ones are okay. Because the bomb towers are able to hit those right now. I mean, they're able to hit the black things. I forgot what they're called, though. Oh, they can't hit the camos either. Okay, we'll put that there. We have enough for the monkey fort. For radar scanners, what we need. Let's hope we get that very soon. Very soon, please. But if we don't run into those, tiny, the smaller balloons, then I think we'll be fine for a little while. And camos. Oh, the zebra balloons also. It's hard. Those can be pretty tricky. This is 1,700. That's pretty pricey, actually. Okay, yeah, we need more of those kind of chunks. So we can... Okay, they can hit the leads, though. Okay, we're so close to be able to hit the camos. Oh, the regrows are pretty hard also. No! We were able to get through. Raider skeleton. Okay, we need to get the monkey intelligent Buru, so we'll definitely be able to hit those super quickly. Just a minute. Okay. Let's try 1 or 2 more rounds. And then I think we're gonna end this episode for today. And we'll definitely do part 2 soon. Oh, this isn't looking very good. Oh boy. Ah! No. This is not good at all. Okay, we need to add some more balloons. Actually, here, let's get the cluster bombs. Okay, we're doing slightly better, I think. I hope. Oh no. Those balloons are hard to get. Oh. Here, if I sell that, that'll be 1,000. 2,000, so I might need to sell that, actually. Okay, we are able to hit the camos, though, so that is good indeed. Okay, so... Well, any minute now? Okay, there. Soon, very soon, we're gonna have to sell this so we can be able to hit all the balloons for our own safety. But I think I should get these out and ready just in case. Yep, like now. There we go. Okay, I guess it's time. That's enough. Oh boy. But it's by itself now, so it's kind of tricky. Especially in this case. Oh no. Start putting tacks up. Oh no. This isn't doing... We're not doing too good. Yeah, the beginning's always the hardest part, I think. Okay, let's add another one, quickly. There we go. Extra range. Okay. Okay, they're these kind of balloons, so we might be alright. For a little bit. Okay, 2 got in. Okay, let's survive a little longer. This is very painful. Very painful indeed. Okay. Put this many at least. I'm gonna have to put some more, am I? Probably. No more than that, I guess. And we'll get the frag. There we go. Let's get the cluster also. Okay, we should be doing a little bit better now. I hope. The beginning's so tricky for these guys. Okay, let's stop at round 40. How about that? We've played long enough. Okay, we're getting there. We're doing much better now. Let's get the mob mauler. So now we're prepared for the mobs. Kind of. Okay, final round for today. Let's hope this is good. Oh, ceramics. We're doomed. Maybe. Actually, no. We're doing much better now. Kind of. We got 39 lives left. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and all that stuff, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.